So for the longest time, I've had a problem with moles tearing up the yard. I was going to show you a solution I found. By the way, there's my pool. And on my channel, we'll show you how to winterize that pool. So I have these flags here. I put them in the ground where it was raised. I flatten them down. I come back, and if it's raised, then we know that's a tunnel. So I found one here. I moved the flag away, flattened it, it pushed back up. I said, okay. And I bought this mole eliminator gadget that you put into the tunnel. And then once you put it in there, you push this down, it's flat. When it comes back up as the what we're seeing right now, that means something has touched it. So let's just say problem solved. I got him.